नेक्स्ट इज चैप्टर नंबर 5 नोट मेकिंग। अब नोट मेकिंग कितने मार्क्स का आता है? नोट मेकिंग आपके ICAI के एग्जाम में आता है 5 मार्क्स का। 2 पार्ट्स में ये क्वेश्चन डिवाइडेड रहता है। प्रिपेयर नोट्स विद एप्रोप्रिएट एब्रीविएशंस 3 मार्क्स में एंड राइट अ समरी 2 मार्क्स में। Passage number 1, there is nothing more frustrating than when you sit down at your table to study with the most sincere intentions and instead of being able to finish the task at hand, you find your thoughts wandering। ऐसा हमारे सबके साथ में होता है कि जब हम कोई चीज़ बड़े कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के साथ में पढ़ने बैठते हैं, हमारा दिमाग वहाँ ना लग के सभी जगहों पर वॉन्डर करता रहता है, घूमता रहता है। However, there are certain techniques that you can use to enhance your concentration। concentration is एक तरह का एकाग्रता। Your concentration level depends on a number of factors, says Samuel Ghosh, a social counselor. In order to develop your concentration span, it is necessary to examine various 2 facets of your physical and internal environment, she adds. To begin with, one should attempt to create the physical environment that is conducive to focused thought. Whether it is the radio, TV or your noisy neighbors, identify the factors that make it difficult for you to focus. For example, if you live in a very noisy neighborhood, you could try to plan your study hours in a nearby library। आपको ये आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें आपको रोक रही हैं या आपको आपके थॉट्स को या आपकी पढ़ाई को रोक रही हैं, आपको वो आइडेंटिफाई करना है। जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपका नेबरहुड में बहुत आवाज़ है, तो आप उस टाइम पर जब आवाज़ बहुत होती है, यू कैन शिफ्ट टू अ लाइब्रेरी एंड देन स्टडी। शी डिसएग्रीज विद द नोशन दैट पीपल कैन कॉन्सेंट्रेट और स्टडी इन एन एनवायरनमेंट विद डिस्ट्रैक्शंस लाइक अ लाउड टेलीविजन, ब्लेयरिंग म्यूजिक एट्सेट्रा। उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि वाकई में कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि हम तो टीवी की आवाज़ में पढ़ लेते हैं या म्यूज़िक की आवाज़ में पढ़ लेते हैं, बट एक्चुअली ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि आप पढ़ तो लोगे बट उस चीज़ को यहाँ और यहाँ पर जोड़ नहीं पाओगे। इफ़ यू आर डिस्ट्रैक्टेड व्हेन यू आर अटेम्प्टिंग टू focus, your attention and retention powers do not work at optimum levels. Cautious Ghosh. Not more than 2 of your senses should be activated at the same time, she adds. What that means is that music that sets your feet tapping is not the ideal accompaniment to your books। Exactly, कि आप 2 entertainment की चीज़ें एक साथ नहीं कर सकते हो। Either you can watch a movie or you can listen to songs। दोनों एक साथ करोगे तो there would be a disorientation। Also, do not place your study table or desk in front of a window। While there is no cure for a window for a mind that wants to wander, one should try and provide as little stimulus as possible। Looking out of a window when you're trying to concentrate will invariably send your mind on a tangent, said Ghosh। The second important thing, she says, is to establish goals for oneself instead of setting a general target and then trying to accomplish what is. It is very important to decide what you have to finish in a given span of time। The human mind recognizes fixed goals and targets and appreciates schedules more than random thoughts. Once your thoughts and goals are in line, a focus system will follow। She recommends that you divide your schedule into study and recreation hours। When you study, choose a mix of subjects that you enjoy and dislike and save the former for the last so that you have something to look forward। For example, if you enjoy verbal skills tests more than mathematical problems, then finish maths first। Not only will you find yourself working harder, you will have a sense of achievement when you wind up। तो आपको जो अच्छा लगता है वो आप करिए, that is more important। Try not to sit for more than 40 minutes at a stretch। Take a very short break to make a cup of tea or listen to a song and sit down again। Under no circumstances should one sit for more than 1.5 hours। Short breaks build your concentration and refresh your mind। However, be careful not to overdo the relaxation, it may have undesirable effect। More than anything else, do not get disheartened। Concentration is merely a matter of disciplining the mind। It comes with practice and patience and does not take very long to become a habit for life। So it's all about your concentration। अब आपको ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ने के बाद में नोट्स बनाने हैं। नोट्स का फॉर्मेट हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है। लेट मी डिस्कस विथ यू वंस अगेन कि उसका एग्जैक्ट फॉर्मेट क्या होने वाला है। जब हम बात करते हैं नोट्स की, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप कॉन्सेंट्रेशन करिए किसके ऊपर। सबसे पहले आता है टाइटल ऑफ पैसेज। फिर आपको क्या करना है, अपने पैसेज को डिवाइड करना है कन्वीनियंटली इनटू headings, and subheadings. फिर ये ख़त्म करने के बाद में आपको दिस इज़ योर फॉर्मेट। ये फॉर्मेट अगर आपने बिल्कुल सही बनाया बच्चा, आपको पूरे के पूरे मार्क्स मिलेंगे। चलिए लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द नोट मेकिंग एक्सरसाइज। आ जाइए। ये आपका पैसेज था। सबसे पहले आपको पैसेज का क्या देना था, एक टाइटल देना था। इस पैसेज को पढ़ने के बाद में आपको सबसे पहले यही दिमाग में आया होगा, ओके दिस पैसेज इज ऑल अबाउट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन। टाइटल में आप क्या लिख सकते हो, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रेशन। अब क्योंकि ये पैसेज काफ़ी बड़ा है, हम इसको 4 या 5 हेडिंग्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट व्हाट द आंसर सेज। सो टेक्निक्स टू इन्हांस कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, आप ऑल्टरनेटिवली इसको क्या लिख सकते थे, इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, हर्डल्स टू कॉन्सेंट्रेशन। व्हाट आर हर्डल्स, किसी भी तरह की कोई तकलीफें जो आपको कॉन्सेंट्रेशन करते वक्त आती हैं, जैसे वॉन्डरिंग थॉट्स, रेडियो और टीवी, नॉइजी एनवायरनमेंट, डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग एनवायरनमेंट एट्सेट्रा। एनवायरनमेंट इज एनवायरनमेंट। टेक्निक्स टू एनहांस कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, एग्जामिन एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स बोथ फिजिकल and internal, identify the distracting factors, activate one sense at a time, keep study table away from the window, managing concentration, establishing specific goals rather than general targets, set your thoughts and goals in line, time management. Recommendation, establish your goals and schedules, plan your study and recreational hours, make concentration a habit for life and ultimate help. Don't get disheartened, discipline the life, practice and develop patience. All right, की में आपने जितने भी शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स लिखे हैं उसको आप एलाबरेट कर सकते हैं। समरी, अच्छा समरी बनाने के 2 तरीके होते हैं, या तो आप हर एक नोट के ऊपर एक लाइन बना दीजिए, या आप क्या कर लीजिए सबको मिक्स कर लो। जैसे द हर्डल्स टू कॉन्सेंट्रेशन आर वॉन्डरिंग थॉट्स, कॉमा, रेडियो, टीवी, नॉइजी एनवायरनमेंट एंड डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग एनवायरनमेंट. The techniques to enhance concentration can be, you need to examine the environmental factors, both physical and internal, and identify the distracting factors. You need to activate one sense at a time, keep study table away from the window. Then managing concentration is really very simple, as you need to establish specific goals rather than general targets, set your thoughts and goals in line and do a time management. Recommendations, establish your goals and schedules, plan your study and recreation. Let's have a look at the answer. There can be many hurdles to concentration. Your wandering thoughts, radio, TV, and noisy or distractive environment. One can overcome these hurdles by following certain techniques to enhance concentration. The environmental facets, both physical and internal, need to be identified and dealt with separately, one at a time. Concentration can also be managed by establishing specific goals instead of settling general targets. Our goals and thoughts should be set in line, and we also need to manage time. The recommendations for improving concentrations are that one should establish goals and schedules and plan his study and recreational hours. This will make concentration a habit for life. All right, इस तरीके से आप अपने आंसर को फ्रेम कर सकते थे. Next is passage number 2. Research has shown that human mind can process words at the rate of about 500 per minute. तो आप 1 मिनट में 500 वर्ड्स को ग्रास्प कर सकते हो, उतना आपकी ह्यूमन माइंड की कैपेसिटी है. whereas a speaker speaks at the rate of about 150 words a minute. The difference between the two at 350 is quite large. So a speaker must make every effort to retain the attention of the audience, and the listener should also be careful not to let his mind wander. Good communication calls for good listening skills. A good speaker must necessarily be a good listener. Listening starts with hearing but goes beyond. Hearing, in other words, is necessary, but it is not a sufficient condition for listening. Listening involves hearing with attention. Listening is a process that calls for concentration. While listening, one should also be observant. What is observant? जो भी चीज़ आप देख रहे हो उसको ध्यान से समझो. In other words, listening has to do with the ears as well as with eyes and the mind. Listening is to be understood as the total process that involves hearing with attention, being observant and making interpretations. Good communication is essentially an interactive process. It calls for participation and involvement. It is quite often a dialogue rather than a monologue. Dialogue is दो लोगों के बीच का process, monologue is single के बीच का process. It is necessary to be interested and also show or to make it abundantly clear that one is interested in knowing what the other person has to say. Good listening is an art that can be cultivated. It relates to skills that can be developed. A good listener knows the art of getting much more than what the speaker is trying to convey. He knows how to prompt, persuade, but not to cut off or interrupt what the other person has to say. At times a speaker may or may not be coherent. Coherent is एक flow में जाना, articulate and well organized in his thoughts and expressions. He may have to do it in his mind, and yet he may fail to marshal the right words while communicating his thought. Nevertheless, a good listener puts him at ease, helps him articulate and facilitates him to get across the message that he wants to convey. तो basically यहाँ पे बात हो रही है एक अच्छे listener की, एक good listener की जो सारी बातें सुनता है. For listening to be effective, it is also necessary that barriers to listening are removed. Barriers मतलब वो सारी रुकावटें जो बोलते वक्त हमें आती हैं. Such barriers can be both physical and psychological. Physical barriers generally relate to hindrances to proper hearing, whereas psychological barriers are more fundamental and relate to the interpretation and evaluation of the speaker and the message. So after reading the entire passage, you should be in a condition to understand कि exactly किसके बारे में है ये basically paragraph. So the paragraph is basically about the art of listening and speaking कि अच्छा listener क्या होता है, अच्छा speaker क्या हो सकता है. So research has shown human mind processes words at the rate 500 per minute. Speaker speaks 150 words per minute. Large difference between the two is 350. तो लिखते सुनते हम 500 वर्ड है लेकिन बोलता केवल 150 शब्द ही है. Essentials to being a good speaker and a listener. Speaker should be able to retain audience attention. Listener should not let his mind wander. यहाँ वहाँ नहीं जाना चाहिए, आपका concentration होना चाहिए. A speaker must be a good listener also. एक अच्छा speaker, एक अच्छा listener होना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. A good speaker must be a good listener. Listening skills. Start with hearing, though it's not a sufficient condition. Involve hearing with attention, being observant, using one's ears, eyes and minds, calls for participation and involvement. It is dialogue rather than a monologue. So dialogue का उन्होंने short form ले लिया. गुड लिसनिंग इज़ एन आर्ट. अच्छा बोलना वाकई में एक कला है. अगर आप अच्छा नहीं बोल सकते हो तो आप लोगों को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट भी नहीं कर सकते हो. कैन बी कल्टिवेटेड और its skill can be developed. A good listener knows how to get much more than what speaker wants to convey. To be prompt, persuade without interpretation. A good listener puts speaker at ease, helps him articulate, facilitate him to get across message he wants to convey. Barriers to listening. Physical, relating to hindrances to proper listening. Psychological, more fundamental, related to interpretations and evaluation of speaker and message. Summary. There's a vast difference between words the human mind can process and speak. The speaker must be able to retain audience attention and also a good listener. Listening goes beyond hearing, it is hearing with attention and calls for concentration. जो आपने नोट्स बनाए ना उसी के बेस पर आप क्या बना सकते हो, ये शॉर्ट नोट्स और समरी. One also needs to be observant, using not only one's ears but also one's eyes and mind. Good listening needs participation and involvement and involves dialogue more than the monologue. It is an art that needs to be cultivated. A good listener must know how to be prompt and persuade but not interrupt the other person. He puts the speaker at ease, helps him to articulate and gets across the message he wants to convey. For effective listening, physical and psychological barriers need to be removed. तो basically it is all about a good listener कि अच्छा listener कौन हो सकता है, अच्छा listener अच्छा speaker बन सकता है कि नहीं. ज़रूरी नहीं कि अच्छा सुनने वाला अच्छा स्पीकर हो या अच्छा बोलने वाला अच्छा स्पीकर ना हो. तो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन पर्सन टू पर्सन. सो इट वाज ऑल अबाउट स्पीकर. Next is passage number 3. The Great Wall of China was built to link existing fortifications into a united defense system and better keep invading Mongol tribes out of China. तो बेसिकली किसको लेकर है, ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना को लेकर है कि ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना कैसे बनी. इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट मैन मेड मॉन्यूमेंट एवर टू हैव बीन बिल्ट. सबसे बड़ा मॉन्यूमेंट है जो आज तक दुनिया में बना है. इट्स द ग्रेटेस्ट वॉल ऑफ चाइना एंड इट इज़ सेड दैट इट इज़ ओनली विजिबल फ्रॉम स्पेस. पूरी चाइना की वॉल को आप स्पेस से ही देख सकते हो. It is the only thing which is visible from the space. Many thousands of people must have given their lives to build this huge construction. The Great Wall of China is a series of towers made of stone, brick, earth, wood and other materials, generally built along on east to west lines across the historical northern borders of China to protect the Chinese states and empires against the raids and invasions of the various nomadic groups of the Eurasian steppe. Several walls were being built as early as the 7th century BC. These later joined together and made bigger and stronger are now collectively referred to as the Great Wall. Especially famous is the wall built by Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China. Little of that wall remains since the Great Wall of China has on-off built, maintain and enhance the majority of the existing wall is from the Ming dynasty. तो Ming dynasty करिए, एक dynasty है, ruler है, सबसे ज़्यादा walls वहीं से ही बनकर आई हैं. Other purposes of the Great Wall of China included border controls, allowing the imposition of duties on goods transported along with the Silk Route, regulation or encouragement of trade, and the control of immigration and immigration. Furthermore, the defensive characteristics of the Great Wall were enhanced by the construction of watchtowers, troop barracks, garrison station, signaling capabilities through the means of smoke of fire, and the fact that the path of the Great Wall also served as transportation corridor. The Great Wall stretches from Dandong in the east to Top Lake in the west, along with an arc that roughly delineates the southern edge of Inner Mongolia. A comprehensive archaeological survey using advanced technologies has concluded that the Ming walls measure 8850 km. This is made up of 6251 km sections of actual wall, 359 km of trenches, and 2323 km of natural defensive barriers such as hills and rivers. Another archaeological survey found that the entire wall within all its branches measure out to be 21,196 km. That is almost a distance from India's one end to another. King Zheng of Qin conquered the last of his opponents and unified China as the first emperor of the Qin dynasty, intending to impose centralized rule and prevent the resurgence of feudal lords. He ordered the destruction of some sections of the wall. However, he ordered a building of new walls to connect the remaining fortifications along with the empire's northern frontier. Transporting a large number of materials required for construction was difficult, so builders always tried to use local resources. Stones from the mountains were used over the mountain ranges, while earth was used for construction in the plains. The Great Wall concept was revived under the Ming dynasty in the 14th century to gain a clear upper hand over the Mongolian tribes. So आपको एक ही बार में समझ आ गया होगा that the entire paragraph is about the Great Wall of China. The title is the Great Wall of China. Introduction: largest man-made monument, only one visible from space. Many gave their lives to build it. Series of towers made of stone, brick, earth, and wood. पर्पस ऑफ बिल्डिंग द ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना, क्या था पर्पस ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना बनाने का? टू लिंक एग्जिस्टिंग फोर्ट इनटू यूनाइटेड डिफेंस, कीप इन्वेडिंग मंगोल ट्राइब्स आउट ऑफ चाइना, हैव बॉर्डर कंट्रोल, allow the imposition of duties on goods transported along the Silk Route, regulation or encouragement of the trade, control of immigration and immigration, चाइना से बाहर लोग ना जा पाए, चाइना के अंदर लोग ना आ पाए. Geographical facts, built along a east to west line across northern China border, protects Chinese states and empire against raids and invasions. Several walls built in 7th century BC, later joined and made bigger and stronger, stretches from Dangdong in east to Lop Lake in west. Historical facts, built by Qin Shi Huang, specially famous. Little remains since the Great Wall has been rebuilt, maintained and enhanced. Majority of existing wall is from Ming Dynasty. Ming Wall Archaeological Survey concludes measures 8850 km, includes natural defense barriers like hills and rivers, walls and branches, measures 21196. So Ming Wall सबसे बड़ी थी और नेचुरल डिफेंस बैरियर्स जैसे हिल्स हैं उसके अंदर रिवर्स भी आती हैं. एब्रीवेशंस आपको ऑलरेडी देखे रखे हैं. सिंबल्स का इन्होंने इस्तेमाल एक ही किया है, इसको बाइफिकेट नहीं किया, बाइफिकेट कर सकते हो. Summary: The Great Wall of China, the largest man-made monument and the only one visible from space, is a series of towers built along an east to west line across northern China border to protect Chinese states from invasion. Invasion मतलब हमें प्रहार करना. Several walls which were built earlier were joined and made bigger and stronger are collectively referred to as the Great Wall. The wall built by the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, is especially famous, though little of that wall remains. Since then, the Great Wall has been rebuilt and enhanced. The majority of the existing wall is from the Ming Dynasty. All right.